Hey there, fellow moneymakers, let's talk stocks. Stocks are the fuel that powers the global economy. They're the magic beans that can grow into giant piles of cash. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into the exciting world of the stock market together. Think of the biggest, most innovative companies out there. Apple, Tesla, Amazon, the list goes on. These companies are changing the world, and guess what? You can own a piece of them. That's right, the stock market gives everyday people like you and me the chance to share in their success. When you invest in the stock market, you're not just buying a piece of paper. You're investing in ideas, innovation, and the future. And the best part? As these companies grow, so can your wealth. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the world of stocks. Okay, so what exactly is a stock? Simply put, a stock is a tiny slice of ownership in a company. Think of it like owning a piece of your favorite pizza place. As the pizza place makes more money, your slice becomes more valuable. Companies sell stocks to raise money. This money helps them grow their business, develop new products, or expand into new markets. And as a stockholder, you get to share in the profits. Now here's where it gets exciting. The price of a stock is constantly changing. It goes up when more people want to buy it and down when more people want to sell it. This constant fluctuation is what makes the stock market so dynamic and potentially profitable. Believe it or not, the stock market has been around for centuries. It all started way back in the 1600s with the Dutch East India Company. They were the first company to issue stocks, and it caused a frenzy. People were so eager to invest in their exotic spices and trading routes that it led to the world's first stock market bubble, the tulip mania. Fast forward a few centuries, and the stock market has evolved into a global powerhouse. We have major exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ, where millions of shares are traded every single day. So how does a company go from a bright idea to being traded on the stock market? It all starts with something called an initial public offering, or IPO. This is when a private company first offers its stock to the public. It's like a grand debut party for a company ready to take on the world. Once a company goes public, its stock price is driven by supply and demand. Good news, like strong earnings or a groundbreaking new product, can send the stock soaring. On the flip side, bad news or economic uncertainty can cause the price to drop. It's a roller coaster ride, but that's what makes it so exhilarating. Section 5. Keeping score. The index game. Now, with thousands of companies trading on the stock market, it can be tough to keep track of everything. That's where stock market indexes come in. Think of them like the all-star teams of the stock market. The S&P 500, for example, tracks the performance of 500 of the largest U.S. companies. The Dow Jones Industrial Average focuses on 30 major companies, and the NASDAQ Composite is all about technology. These indexes give us a snapshot of how the overall market is doing. Section 6. The market's ripple effect. Jobs, growth, and your golden years. Here's the thing about the stock market. It's not just about making money for investors. It plays a vital role in the health of the entire economy. When the stock market is booming, companies have more money to hire workers, invest in research and development, and expand their businesses. And guess what? That means more jobs, economic growth, and a higher standard of living for everyone. Plus, the stock market is where many people invest for their retirement. 401(k)s, IRAs, these retirement accounts are often invested in the stock market, helping people grow their savings over the long term. Section 7. Bumps in the road navigating market crashes. Now, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention the elephant in the room, market crashes. Just like in life, the stock market has its ups and downs. Sometimes, fear and uncertainty can grip investors, leading to a sudden and sharp decline in stock prices. Remember the dot-com bubble burst in the early 2000s, the financial crisis of 2008, or the current trade and tariffs war? These events shook the market to its core, but here's the key takeaway. The stock market has always recovered from crashes. Always. Section 8. The future is invested in you. So, there you have it. The stock market in a nutshell. It's a wild, unpredictable, and incredibly exciting world. But most importantly, it's a world full of opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, remember this: knowledge is power. The more you learn about the stock market, the better equipped you'll be to navigate its twists and turns. So, do your research, invest wisely, and never be afraid to ask questions. Because when it comes to building wealth and achieving your financial dreams, the future is invested in you. Are you ready to start investing, or do you have more questions about how the stock market works? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights. Thanks for watching.